Hey everyone, this is Jen at Go Live, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a blog sidebar. I'll be using our étoile template in this tutorial, but it would work on any of our sites. The first thing you'll need to do is create a new page for your blog and sidebar. This is going to be a separate page than your existing blog page. So first, to make sure that we don't get confused, I'm going to label the existing blog page as blog posts. I'm also going to move this to the not linked section, so again, we don't get confused. This page is going to be where you add new posts, but the page that you want people to visit on your site is going to be the page that we'll be adding in this video. So next, we're going to add a new page to the main navigation section. This is going to be the page that displays your blog posts and sidebar. So I'm going to click the plus sign up here and then label this as blog and press enter. Now that we have the page set up, we'll go in and add a grid content block. Now we'll select which content section we want to feature. So in this case, we'll be selecting the blog posts section. Next, we'll click Layout to adjust the style settings. We're going to adjust the aspect ratio to 3:2, but you can use whatever dimensions you prefer. We're going to use 340 for the column width, 30 for the gutter width, set the text alignment to left justified, and select medium for the text font size. We're also going to set the primary metadata position to below title. Now we'll click display and make sure all of the boxes are checked. We're going to change the primary metadata to category, and you can add a secondary metadata option if you want, but we're going to select none. Once you're done with that, just click apply. Now you'll see we have a nice grid summary for all of our posts. Next, we're going to add a block underneath the grid layout. So first, we'll add an image block, which will serve as our headshot. Once the photo is added, we're going to drag that to the right of our posts. You can also drag it to the left if you prefer the way that looks. Once you place the block alongside your grid, you can adjust the width of your sidebar as needed. Now that you have your sidebar in place, you can start adding in content. So underneath the headshot, I'll add a text block underneath where you can type in your brief bio. Next, we can add in our social icons. So we like to add a line between each section of the sidebar to make it look a little bit cleaner. So under this line, I'll go ahead and add the social links block. Then I'll add another line and add a search block underneath that, which is nice to have on your sidebar for easy navigation. Then you can continue going through and adding whichever blocks you like. So be sure to check out the rest of our blog post for recommendations on what to include in your sidebar.